Walsall tenants, if you're looking for a 4-bedroom semi-detached property in the Parkhall area, then I think we've found the ideal property for you. This property behind me is just coming onto the market, has been fully refurbished, and there's something I really like about the property, so I'm going to show you in 2 seconds. So stay with me whilst I do a walkthrough video tour. So the property, as you can see, has a driveway to start off with for several cars. It's semi-detached and has a garage, which is not integral. You can come into the garage from the outside. That houses the utility meters as well. Small lawned area, and then you've got an entrance porch. This small patio area is great for your hats and coats as you come in from a rainy day, muddy boots and stuff, which opens up into the entrance hallway. So off the entrance hallway you've got the stairs going up, and then you've got the doors to the kitchen, downstairs WC, and the dining room as well as the lounge. So if you follow me, I'll take you into the kitchen. As we've said, it's been fully refurbished. So if the camera wants to go in before me, new units, base and wall, lots of electric points, space at the bottom there for the washing machine, and you can bring in your cooker of choice over here. There's a gas point for the gas cooker, and behind the door you've got a space for your fridge freezer. Plenty of storage, plenty of units, drawers, lots to kind of, lots of units and lots of storage. That's your point here for the washing machine. Okay. So coming out of here, there's an understairs cupboard, excellent for storage. And we'll show you this bit. There's an additional WC for the downstairs. It's all been painted, decorated, just kind of ready for anybody to move in, basically. And off here, we'd class this as the dining room. So you come straight out of the kitchen, bring your wares into here, put a nice little dining table, and this has a great outside kind of access to the garden from here. So on a nice summer's day, you can open the windows, you can open the door, which will show you the garden since we're out here. A nice little enclosed space, private, not very overlooked, not from that end anyway, but there might be 1 or 2 properties over there. A nice little space. I mean, we've got lots on the outside as well in terms of where we are situated. Agility Village and the shopping centre is just at the bottom of the end of this road. We'll go into the conservatory from the lounge. So this is one of the sought after areas in Walsall. It's kind of the southern border going into Birmingham and the A34, and the school, primary school that's here, Parkhall Junior School, is very sought after. So this is a good space, a nice big lounge area. People have put their TVs in the past over in that corner. You've got Sky, you've got a BT box over there as well, which you can connect up whatever you wish. And again, from here, plenty of light. There's a nice little conservatory area. Okay, so we'll go upstairs and show you the upstairs now. So back to the front. New carpets all round upstairs. New decoration, just been refurbished, so we've had long-term tenants move out from here. So we'll do, the best thing I like about this property is the bedroom size. So if you come in, all of the bedrooms you'll see are pretty much very similar. They're square sized, and they have a good kind of space within, where you've got, like, double beds you can put into every single one of these properties. This room has something extra. So coming into here, you've got your ensuite with this. Ensuite shower room. Okay, so coming out of this front facing 2 bedrooms, rear facing 2 bedrooms, you've got a family bathroom as well, with a corner bath, as you'd expect, a pedestal wash and basin and a WC. And then from the landing you come to one of the rear bedrooms. Again, look at this size, it's lovely, square, a double bedroom, plenty of space to put a desk over here after a bed, put wardrobes over there if you wanted, or however you wanted to dress up this this property, this bedroom. Just ready to kind of move in, plonk your furniture and off you go. So from the landing again, we go into this rear bedroom. Another double square sized, it's a really good size, and for a family to come in and stay for a while. So again, decorated. You got sockets and switches. On this side, you've got a double socket over there. I can't see anything else behind. No, just the double sockets over there. So nothing on those sides as well. Okay, so this little room over here is where, again, it's a little bit of storage space. I'll just show it to you. It's got houses the central heating, combination boiler system, and a place where you can put your, Hoover and I don't know, shoes or something, bags. Okay, so come along into here. This is probably the smallest out of them all in terms of size and square footage, but at the same time, it's again, if I just stretch my arms out, it's long in length. But again, you can put a good size bed over here down this side, and there's plenty of space over there for a wardrobe and dressing tables and all sorts. So 2 front facing and 2 rear facing. And I think that concludes our property video tour. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope this is something that you wish to go forward to and make an application with. All the links will be in the descriptions. If you do wish to view and go forward, do make your inquiries. Contact us via our website or via the contact number. And I hope to see you on the other side of this video. Take care. Bye-bye.